The primary mirror of JWST, the optical telescope element, consists of 18 hexagonal mirror segments made of gold-plated beryllium which combined to create a 6.5 meters 21 feet diameter mirror considerably larger than Hubble's 2.4 meters 7 feet 10 in mirror. Unlike the Hubble telescope, which observes in the near ultraviolet, visible, and near infrared 0.1 to 1 micrometer spectra, JWST will observe in a lower frequency range, from long wavelength visible light through mid-infrared 0.6 to 28.3 micrometer, which will allow it to observe high redshift objects that are too old and too distant for Hubble to observe. 8-9 The telescope must be kept very cold in order to observe in the infrared without interference, so it will be deployed in space near the Sun-Earth L2 Lagrange point, about 1,500,000 kilometers 930,000 miles from Earth 0.0103.9 times the distance to the Moon. 10 A large sun shield made of silicon- and aluminum-coated captain will keep its mirror and instruments below 50 K -223 degrees Celsius, -370 degrees Fahrenheit 11. The NASA Goddard Space Flight Center (GSFC) in Maryland is managing the development effort, and the Space Telescope Science Institute will operate Webb after launch. 12 The prime contractor is Northrop Grumman. 13 The telescope is named after James E. Webb. 14 Who was the administrator of NASA from 1961 to 1968 and played an integral role in the Apollo program. 15 16 Development began in 1996 for a launch that was initially planned for 2007 and a $500 million budget. 17 The project had numerous delays and cost overruns, including a major redesign in 2005. 18 A ripped sun shield during a practice deployment, a recommendation from an independent review board. The COVID-19 pandemic. 19 2021 issues with the Ariane 5 rocket 22 and the telescope itself, and communications issues between the telescope and the launch vehicle. 23 Concerns among the involved scientists and engineers about the launch and deployment of the telescope have been well described. 24 25